Yeah, that goes way out there.
That was awesome. Coming back.
Still on there. Yeah. Woo!
And he's coming back. And now we're pulling.
Oh shit. Awesome. All right. I think he meant to do that. Oh boy. It's gonna hurt.
Watch out for your dog. Just don't
Yeah.
step on him.
Oh, and we really don't want Walter to get hit by that. Thank you, Jonesy.
Going over the bar.
I told him, I said, shoot for that gap. Well, I meant the gap over there, so, but it's high tide, so he shouldn't have any problems.
Yeah, he's got very little displacement.
Oh yeah, when he's on a plane with that thing. Cool.